how to fix Snapchat sound not working. So if you're facing a problem with Snapchat sound, then first of all you need to make sure that your sound's volume is full. So first you need to simply hold on to that volume button, and here you need to check that if your volume is high. And you should also check your ring and notification volume, and then your media volume. Main is the media volume. And after that, even after that, if your problem still doesn't fix, then you can simply open up your Snapchat, and then you can simply go to your profile, which is on the upper left, and then you can go to settings, which is on the upper right, and here you can simply scroll down and go for clear cache, and then tap on continue, and you have to clear your cache. And then you can also open your settings and go for apps and notifications, and here open up your Snapchat on your settings, and then go for storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache, and you have to clear all of that cache. And even after that, if your problem still doesn't fix, then you can simply open up your Play Store and make sure that your app is up to date. So first tap on the search bar and then search for Snapchat, and after searching, if you have an update option instead of this open option, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update, and you have to update your Snapchat application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. Or the last way is to simply uninstall your Snapchat application, and then you can again install it from your Google Play Store or your App Store, and then you can log into your account. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you can restart your device, and after restarting, your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.